Hello and good afternoon, everybody. Once again from Marghazar Cricket Ground, Islamabad, Big Bash League Season 5. The second semi-final on its way right now. I'm here with both the captains. Muqaddas, the captain of Daikin, and Adnan Khan, of course, the captain of Spartans, who is going to flick the coin. Muqaddas. Heads is the call, and it's head. Adnan have won the toss. Adnan. Okay, join me for a couple of words. Come here. Thank you. Adnan, all important toss win. What are you going to do?
We'll bat first.
So any reason for that? You have seen that team is hardly winning the match on the last ball. So you think runs are there in the wicket?
Yes, runs they will be on the wicket. The thing is, basically, it will be fourth innings if I was going to choose to bowl first. So I thought that there will be low bounce later on, and we want to put the score on the board and let Muqaddas by to chase. There will be an extra pressure on him as well.
Okay. Any decent total you have in your back of mind?
180 plus.
Would be a good total. Thank you and good luck. Muqaddas, toss आप हार गए हैं. क्या फैसले से खुश हैं? Second batting आ रही है आपकी.
नहीं, अगर टॉस जीत भी जाता तो मेरा ख्याल था कि हम पहले बॉलिंग करेंगे, क्योंकि हम सोच रहे हैं कि इनको 120 के अंदर अंदर पकड़ें.
लेकिन अब आपने पहले बॉलिंग करनी है. बड़ी अच्छी बॉलिंग फॉर्म में है. रफ़ी स्टेडियम में मुझे याद है आपने 4 विकेटें ली थी. मैन ऑफ द मैच भी आए थे. तो बॉलिंग स्ट्रेंथ के साथ जाएंगे. पहले 6 ओवर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे.
जी डेफिनेटली, इंशाल्लाह हम बॉलिंग स्ट्रेंथ के साथ जाएंगे. बॉलिंग लाइन अच्छी है हमारी, स्पिनर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं मेरे पास.
थैंक यू एंड गुड लक. थैंक यू. Ji, so I've got news from the middle that captain of Spartans, Adnan Khan, have won the toss and he has decided to bat first.